If you like the videos I've created so far for the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do my best to create more content for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how I installed the Akaso Mirror Dash Cam. It's the product here. It's so good, I like it so much that I bought two. I got one for my vehicle and one for my wife's vehicle. So this video will be a little different as I already mounted both cameras in both vehicles already. But I'll just take it apart and maybe show you the route I took for the wiring. As you can see here, it's a fairly simple install. I've got 3 wires here. This wire is for the backup camera. This is the power source. And this is for the GPS. So I have the backup camera and the power source tucked in under the headliner all the way here up to here. This is where it splits. Backup camera will go this way and the power source will go down. So I got the power wire coming through here, tucked in inside here, this rubber seal. Got it through here, tucked in. They're all tucked in nicely. All the way through here. Under this panel. We're just going to pry everything under here. So I've got it through under this footwell panel. And I went ahead and used the cigarette lighter source as the power source. So the power source goes through here, under here. I removed this console here, the panel. It's just 2 screws and you pop it up. Fed the wires through and you can see it right here. And plugged it into the cigarette lighter. I don't use this, so I don't mind doing it this way. There is another way where you can plug it through the fuse box under here. There is an easier way to get power source to your dash cam without routing all the wires. You can buy a separate harness to tap into the one in your mirror. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's actually a dash cam harness that you can plug into here that splits into a Y, where you plug your original harness and the other end would be the USB. That would be your power source to the dash cam. I'll go ahead and leave the product link in the description below. If you like the videos I've created so far for the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do my best to create more content for you. So we're going to do the same thing with the rear view cam. Tuck that in the headliner. Come out this way. We're going to go into this rubber seal all the way to the back. I'll show you where. Alright, got it tucked in into this pillar. Again, in this weather seal all the way to the back. And then tucked in the second pillar all the way to the back. So now we're in the rear, got everything tucked in here. I went ahead and pulled this panel out, so everything is tucked under here. I got everything up to here, this weather strip. Let me go ahead and pull that weather strip out. Right, so as you can see, here's the wire. Okay, I just put some tape here to protect the wire so it doesn't get pinched. And it feeds through out here and into this panel. So I screwed the camera into this panel. I didn't want the camera outside, I have it inside. Let me go show you how it looks. And this is how the camera looks. Feeds through right there. Doesn't really touch the window, the glass. And I did screw it because I wanted it permanent. Doesn't affect anything. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. That's how it looks. close. Then I went ahead and wired the GPS. So this is the GPS cable. I went the other direction, this way, tucked it underneath the headliner, and went down this pillar. And here's your GPS. All right, so we're almost done with this install. The last thing we have to do now is connect the dash cam itself. I'll just go ahead and show you how to do that. Putting on the dash cam unit itself is fairly simple. You're just gonna place this in front of the original mirror, and you have these rubber straps that you're gonna hook on, and then you're gonna wrap it around the mirror. Just hook it on that way. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. We're gonna go ahead and place the dash cam in front of the original mirror. Take your rubber straps, hook it on the top, and strap it around, hook it onto the bottom. And you're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Hook the top and strap it to the bottom. Just like that. Now that we have the dash cam all strapped in, I'm going to go ahead and take this GPS plug. We're going to plug it, the far right plug. All right, there. Go ahead and take your power source. Plug it in right there. And this is your rear view cam. All right. Go ahead and plug that in. And that's it. We're pretty much all done. Let me go ahead and start up the vehicle. And there you have it. So let me go ahead and show you some of the features of the camera. Right here we have your miles per hour. This is the time, day, and date. That red light shows that it's recording. So we have your location here. The G, I believe, stands for that your GPS is on. The P is your parking guard is on. I believe what that is when your car is off and you're away from your vehicle, it does record impact for about 30 seconds. And I'll show you where. So we got the date here. You got your microphone up here. Touch that. Microphone up here, and then your battery. That does have an internal battery. Let me go ahead and show you. So you can adjust the contrast going up and down. So at night you want it lower. If it's too bright at night, during the day you want it brighter. You can adjust the camera angle up or down, and you can do that. There's your split view. You swipe to the left is your split view. You got the front camera and the rear view camera, and here's the front camera. You also can go up or down, get your right angle. I like it right about there. And you can also adjust the contrast. So here we have your settings menu. This is your resolution. You can change that to either 1.5K front, 1080p rear. I keep it to the highest setting. This all depends on your memory card. I think it can hold up to 128. This is your loop record. I have it recording for 5 minutes, and then it'll record another 5 minutes. This is your audio. So You can turn it off or on. I leave mine on. G sensor. This detects shock while you're driving. What that does, it records it on a different folder so it doesn't get erased or recorded over. This is your parking guard. I have it set on high. What this is, I believe, is when you're away from your vehicle and it detects impact, it will record for 30 or 60 seconds. I'm not too sure. And then it'll keep it in a folder where it can't write over it. This is a screensaver. You can have it off 1 minute or 3 minutes. I leave it off. You can change the video code. Okay, I'll leave it as 264. You can change your frequency, 50 or 60, I believe. I have it on 60. You can have it mirror image. Alright, and down here, the key voice is the tone. So if you hit that, anything you press has a tone. I like it off. This is your speaker. If you want your speaker on or off. This is your boot sound. You can have some sound when you have it boot up and boot down. This is your stream media. I have it on. What that does is your default camera when you turn it on is the rear view. If you have it off, your default camera would be the front camera. You have different types of languages to choose from. I will choose English. You can adjust the date and time. As you can see, I've already set that up. This is to format. If you want to format your SD card, if you want to bring everything back to factory default. And this is your version. This is to test your GPS to see if your GPS is working. You can see how many satellites I'm connected to. Looks like connected to 11. Let's go ahead and scroll down. You can change your time zone depending on where you live. You can change your time zone, and you can speed calibration. I just set mine to 0 because it actually works just fine. There you have it, guys. This is my simple install of the Mirror Dash Cam. Hope you liked this video. Hope this was helpful to some of you. If it was, don't forget to comment below. Also, don't forget to support my channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.